How to recover Twitter account without email and phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your Twitter account without email and phone number. Now, if you are trying to log into your account and you don't remember your password or a wrong password pops up and you don't have access to your email and phone number to log into your ID, what you can do is head into your browser first and search in for Twitter support. And once you search in for Twitter support, you can see the option Twitter Help Center or Contact Us. Head into Contact Us here and it will ask you to select a topic. Now, select the problems with account access option here and you can see the option how can we help you with your account popping up. Tap on I need to regain access to my Twitter account. And then scroll down below and it'll ask you to please tell us more. Type in on either I forgot my password or I'm having a problem authenticating my account. I'll just select I forgot my password here and you'll get the option how did you sign up for this account. Simply select email address now for here. And then now here what you want to do is type in your Twitter username and scroll down below and type in your email address that they can use to contact you. Now remember, do not type in the email address that you lost your access to. Type in the email address that they can contact you back or that you still have access to. And here describe the problem that you lost your account password, you don't remember it and you don't have access to your email or phone number, and submit it. And Twitter will probably get back to you in the account that you submitted here on the email, and then they should be able to help you to recover your Twitter account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.